am Nilou, and I've never met a taco I haven't loved. Whether I'm having an al pastor taco in Mexico City or a fish taco in Ensenada, I'm always game for a taco crawl. Once I started having taco nights at home though, that's when I realized how fun and easy they are for a group. So for the shrimp taco bar that we're gonna be making, first thing we need is to marinate our shrimp. And what I'm gonna do it in is a resealable plastic bag. Now you can absolutely do this in this exact same bowl that it's already in, and you might say, well, why am I dirtying another thing since I already have it in here? It's because there's not a lot of marinade and we wanna make sure that the shrimp really gets well coated. So we're gonna put the shrimp right into our bag, and then we're gonna take our amazing Lee Kum Kee lime cilantro hoisin and add it in. And the reason I like this sauce specifically is that it's got a really good sweet flavor, but not cloying at all. And what's awesome about it is that it's got the lime and the cilantro, which we're gonna be using later on in our tacos. We're gonna use olive oil, which you always need when you're marinating, keep that in mind, and chipotle pepper powder. So all we're gonna do is close this bag, make sure that the air is out and that it's sealed all the way. And then massage, massage, massage. Everything is nicely mixed together, and it just spends a quick little time in the fridge where it's going to speed marinate. I took the shrimp out of the fridge, out of the bag it was marinating in, and on to the grill. Yes, music to my ears. They're gonna cook really quickly, so just keep an eye on them. A good way to know when shrimp is done is it turns pink. You recognize cooked shrimp? And voila, so I'm gonna do that. And while that's cooking, we're gonna get to grilling our tortillas. I love a corn tortilla. If you like flour tortillas, you can't come to my house. This is a really good thing to do when friends come over, just so everyone always asks you, what can I do to help? And you're like, the first thing you can do is don't ask me what you can do to help. But this is actually something you can do to help. You can see how the color, this is one that is still not, you see the difference in the color, and you can see these nice brown char marks. This is getting someplace. You see this one's super flat. This one's all dimensional. Ooh, I love it. This is exactly how I want it. It's getting puffy. Ooh, see it? See it? I'm so excited it's getting puffy. Okay, I'm overexcited. Another one goes on. The key with tortillas is you have to keep them in a little cozy home, otherwise they get dried out. Okay, we got it. We're gonna multitask. Things are getting real, people. Beautiful, they're getting pink and super caramelized. Okay, I love these bubbles. Look at that, beautiful. Look at how it's puffing up. I love, love, love that. Okay, we've got this. Oh, they're perfect. You can feel they're just about to be done. See that? Look at that. That basically makes you feel like you're eating on the street at a great street stall in Mexico City. Per taco, I like about 3 shrimp, but I like to cut them up because when they're cut, they're a little bit easier for you to eat, but I do like to grill them with the tail on, even though I'm gonna be taking the tail off. I think the tail and the shell impart a great flavor. Even if it's a little bit of a chore to take the tails off after they're cooked, I still prefer it. We're gonna take the tail off these shrimp. I say maybe 3 pieces per shrimp. Then we're gonna stack them into our perfect DIY taco. The best part of taco night is deciding what you're gonna put on your taco. And we've got lots of different toppings. We've got everything from grilled pineapple to cabbage to guacamole. It's a lot of pressure. I don't know what to do, but I think I'm gonna do 3 tacos like I would get if I was sitting in a hole-in-the-wall taco joint. That looks good already. You gotta have lime right in the center. We're gonna divide this up between our 3 tacos. That now the pressure is not on immediately. I like to have a pretty full taco, but the key is to have a little bit of everything in each bite. So this one just needs a tiny bit more and then we're good. Oh my gosh, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna pick, this yellow is speaking to me. So first I'm gonna do one with the beautiful grilled pineapple. I know some people are not into cheese and shrimp, but I don't believe in any rules, so I'm gonna say a little cotija cheese is gonna be great on that. The zesty mayo, that's pretty. Now we're getting a little bit pale looking though, so I think what I'm gonna do is, yes, That's gonna be great. And a little bit of cilantro, a hit of lime on that one. That one's good. I feel very good about that one. For the next one, I'm gonna go a little bit more tradish. So I'm gonna go red cabbage. I'm gonna do some of this beautiful pickled onion, pickled red onion, feeling the vibes here. And then I'm gonna go radish. So picking up on what we did with the cabbage. I like it, I like what's happening. Always cilantro. And then still crema. Okay, that's good, that's my second one. Now for the third one. Avocado has to come into play. Okay, so avocado, beautiful. We got scallion on this one, a little bit more scallion. I guess I'm gonna use some of the salsa, and this one looks good to me. More lime. Hit it with a tiny bit of salt, just cause you know, why not? Cotija. Now, we're in business. It's so fun to do, it's so easy, and everybody loves it. So I'm just gonna take a bite. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that at all. That's good. Yay.